It was another day in the Belmopan Supreme Court for the five men accused of the heinous murder of Pastor Llewelyn Lucas back in July of 2016. In the morning session of the trial, the then Deputy Commissioner of Police Russell Blackett was recalled to be cross-examined by the defense attorneys. That was followed by the highly anticipated testimony of the investigating officer, Sergeant Holly Vasquez, who opened by saying that he was following a robbery investigation which took place at the Income Tax Department on July 15, 2016, and led him to a bar in Belmopan. There he met the five accused men, including William Danny Mason. The officer says he indicated that he wanted to search a black pickup truck belonging to Mason, but was told that Mason's wife had the keys. According to Vasquez's testimony, upon making the request, the foreman created a barrier and prevented him from searching the vehicle. He called for backup, and MIT personnel later arrived to assist. The four men were detained and Mason was taken to his house to retrieve the vehicle key, but it turned out to be the wrong set of keys and the vehicle could not be opened. The pan of the truck was not locked, and Vasquez says that when he looked inside a black bucket, he saw a human head with duct tape from the mouth to the lower chin and a blue bandana around the neck. He also observed a roll of duct tape, a yellow gas nozzle, two metal pipes, and a white sheet inside the pan of the truck. The window of the driver's side was then shattered so that the officers could access the cab of the pickup, and inside, Vasquez says he discovered a loaded 9mm magazine on the door handle, as well as a shotgun in the back seat, cellular phones, and two additional 9mm magazines. The key to the truck was later found near the bathroom of the establishment. While Mason and the truck were taken to the Belmopan police station, the head was transferred to the Western Regional Hospital. It all happened between 8:15 p.m. on July 15th and ended at 1:20 a.m. the following day. Following the session this morning, defense attorney Brian Neal says that they will cross-examine the testimony of the investigating officer because they have some issues with the way his investigation was conducted.
Hopefully we can point out how poor his investigation was, because if something starts bad, it should end bad, especially in a court of law. So we have some issues with his investigation, the way it was conducted, and we want to try to cross-examine him to see if we can bring out any inconsistencies that can satisfy the court that this was a poor investigation.
If there are holes, you will have to come into the court to find out when I do my cross or when any of the other attorneys do their cross. But today, it is basically what we've been doing all along. The witnesses come, give their evidence, they're examined.
The prosecution has been producing witnesses and evidence that they believe would cause the murder charge to stick against the five accused men.
The prosecution has been able to marshal all this evidence. The court appointed me to defend Mr. Fernandez. My position now is that the court should employ a DNA expert to assist Mr. Fernandez. I have assisted him as far as my expertise can go, but the point that you raised, that the DPP has had all this time, all these witnesses, and all the defendants is their attorney. We need more resources so that we can try to assist these defendants in a more proper way.
Justice Antoinette Moore, who is presiding over the trial without jury, has indicated that a loci, as previously requested, will take place. Those visits to several areas revealed during the trial will be conducted on Friday.
I had raised it earlier, but in my own view, we still don't know where the victim was killed. So to go to this farm, to me, doesn't make any sense. It's not my call. I raised it in court this morning. I've done my duty to my client. It is a call for the judge, and the judge is saying that she, who is the ultimate arbiter of the facts, needs to see this scene. To me, I have a different view, but it's not my call.
No, sir, but isn't the farm, based on the evidence that has been revealed so far in the trial, wasn't it on the farm that the alleged murder weapon was discovered, that the human remains, well, the headless body of Pastor Llewelyn Lucas was discovered?
It was discovered in a pickup truck at Sanchos Bar, not at that farm.
The head was found there, but wasn't the rest of the body found on the farm?
I have seen no evidence that the body has even been found. There's no body to match to that decapitated head, as far as I have seen in court.
As defense attorneys, You never know when something will be said in that court or when you will see something in the evidence that will assist you. So I cannot say whether it will or it will not assist us, but when we go there, we go with an eye for detail and look for every opportunity to find something that will assist our clients.
Duane Moody for News 5.